I think it's all walks of life, but we've got a lot of people coming to us because we're cool, we're hip, we're young.
Exactly. When you think of nutritional supplements, I don't think that's the coolest conversation. 5-10 years ago, nutritional supplements, it just always was this baby boomer conversation, and we wanted to be this premium product line, but we wanted to have kind of a Neiman Marcus branding approach to it.
It's pretty exciting to see how young our demographic is getting, and I think it's also due to we are a full-blown cloud-based social network. Our brand exposure is through social media. And who dominates social media?
Stories sell your company. And social media and stories go hand in hand. And you've got to focus what you're pushing out on social media. And it's got to be very balanced, and it's got to be very story heavy. If you were to join our company and you were to call all of your friends and say, hey, I want to talk to you about this opportunity, you'd lose almost all of them. But luckily, that's not what we do here. If you join Lavelle, you'd call your friends and you'd want to share the Thrive experience with them. My energy, check out this product. Have you seen this adhesive foam? Those type of things relate to everybody. No one gets up in the morning looking for a direct sales company, but everybody gets up in the morning looking to feel better, have more energy, manage their weight better, sleep better, and you attract people based on what they're looking for, and that's what the experience is doing.
We want you to trust us. We want you to be a part of our company for free, just for referring to customers, and that's why our business has been dominating customer acquisitions versus people seeking an opportunity.
Yeah, I mean, when we started the company, one of the key elements to us was the word free. And we give the promoter the opportunity to earn free product by getting to customers. But we also give the customer, who's not associated with the company, they're just strictly a customer, they can refer to other customers and get free product. And that has been a huge home run.
Real cloud-based company. What it allows you to do is take the best resumes. We have people from Virginia, California. Our entire company operates everywhere, even though they may be all the way across the country, how they're all integrating now versus your typical where they see each other every day. All aspects of our company, all operational sides of it, people are working morning, noon, and night.
Our outlook is simply the best. I mean, if we really believe that our model is premium, if we really believe that we are a premium product line and that we're tasked with building this culture and company for our customers and promoters, we're not going to accept anything less than the best. So each time we go out to source a vendor, we're finding the best that's possibly out there, you know, from the FDA firm that helps us with compliance with our products, from our patent and trademark firms, manufacturing vendors, facilities, etc. It has to be the most proven company or vendor that we can find in that realm. Early on, we were designing the rewards plan. We wanted to have an inverted model. I think a lot of times in direct sales, you see the moon at the top rank, right? You know, these crazy cars, crazy earnings, crazy everything. And well, really to get someone there, it's about the success their team has at lower ranks. And so we reward the second level in our company to the third. The smallest details matter. I mean, everything matters in this business, you know, and that's what we try to do. We're not perfect, but we try to master everything. I mean, from the packaging we use, from the time the box hits their door, the experience they get from customer service, little writing on the website. I mean, we're constantly scrutinizing ourselves, and I think that sometimes what some companies might miss is they feel like some of the little things really don't matter, and everything matters.
I think our name has done a lot for us as well. If you look at on social media, every day your girlfriends say, "Rise and thrive," or
"Thriving."
Who's thriving? Day in and day out, our business is growing just with people thriving. They love the product. That's what a real business is. When you think about the companies you love, if it's Apple, if it's Nike, we've said it for years, companies are built off of customers that are loyal to a product, and we have been one of the most fortunate companies out there.